This is GCSE M3 notes. We're on chapter 2 and we're taking a wee look then at BIDMAS. So of course you'll remember from year 8, BIDMAS. So brackets first, then indices, then division and multiplication come together, then addition and subtraction. So if we have something like this, what are we looking to do first? We of course need to do a thing in the brackets, and inside the brackets we have a minus and we have a divide. So I would want to see the thing written out again, however the first bit has been done, so 6 divided by 2. So I'm just writing out the same question again. 4 take away, however this now is a 3 times by 5. What comes next? It's of course going to be the brackets. 2 plus 4 take away 3 is 1 times 5. Next, what do we do? The multiplication. So it's 2 plus 5, and the answer to that then is going to be 7. Next one's an interesting one. Now you're at GCSE, you should be aware of this, but it's nearly like if you have a big fraction like this, that they're set in brackets. You do everything in the top, you do everything in the bottom, and the last thing you do then is divide. So this then is going to be 6.4, nothing to do with that. 1.3 take away 0.8, of course, then gives us 0.5. And then the final thing we want to do then is divide. 6.4 divided by 0.5 gives us 12.8. Over the page for another couple of examples. Insert the appropriate symbols and brackets required to make each calculation correct. So how are we going to get 16 then out of this? We have an 18 here and we have 14 to 7. So if we make this into a 2 by putting the divide there, then we can take that away and get then our 16. So that works. 24, how are we going to get that? With a 20 and a 7 here to make the 27. Can we make a 3 here? We can. So if we go 20, take away the 3 plus the 7. These are quite hard. It just so happens I kind of know how to do them and I've seen the answers before, but it can be quite tough. There's a few different options for this one here. If we go minus and minus divided by 2, that should make it work, because 8 take away 3. Of course we do the 6 divided by 2 first, so that's a 3. So it's really 8 take away 3 take away 3, which gives us 2. There is another option there, which would be 8 take away brackets 3 plus 6 divided by 2, and that will work as well. Use your calculator to calculate the following. So 16.34 plus, and I'm going to try and work out the bits and pieces then we have up here. So I don't know if this will come up. The light's never quite good. That's not too bad, but annoying, of course you can't see the question. So if I stick a bracket in, 3.4 plus 2.677, close bracket, all to the power of 4, and give that, I end up with that. 1363.819656. Now if I can keep that in my calculator, it'll save me a wee bit of hassle, but again I want to work out the bottom one, so I have that saved. 19.67 take away 37.22 obviously gives a negative, and that's minus 17.55. 16.34 plus, and I now do this sum here, I divide these two things, and it's going to be minus 77.711, that divided by that. And finally 16.34 plus minus means take it away, minus 61.371. If I was you, I'd practice that again on my calculator to make sure I'm getting the correct answer, and that works out from there.